Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Imran bin RAHIM, and today I will answering all the questions that have been asked by my final year project 1 evaluator, Encik Muhammad Suhairil. So, the reason on using 3-point bending test is to indicate the maximum load apply, which focusing on one point on the metal plate in this project, which commonly used for structure beam or column. 3-point bending is recommended as its resultant maximum shear force. Specimens undergoing 3-point bending also experiments are submitted to a concentrated force twice as high. 4-point bending is more suitable for larger loads or to identify the uniform depends on the structure. And the second question, yes, when applying bending load on the samples, the sample will undergo deflection as the metal will experience bending. The after effects of the bending will weaken the metal as the microstructure of the metal undergoes cracking and can cut into 2 pieces if exceeding the maximum load. For the graph, a graph of fracture will be obtained after it exceeded the maximum loads applied for the specific of the material. And the last is the determination of the days is been referred by the previous research paper. Throughout my research literature review, some of the papers conducting soaking condition, same as my final year project, with the same solution, acid, alkali and neutral. The paper shows that most of the researchers did an inspection on the samples according by months, for example 6 months. Ever since the scope timeline for the final year project did not reach more than 6 months, my supervisor and I decided to observe the sample only for 120 days or 4 months before conducting the mechanical test. And for this project, I will not just conducting literature study, but also conducting experiment as well. For the time being, the expected result for the project will be referred to the previous study before gets the real result. That's all from me. Thank you very much for evaluating my final year project 1, and have a good day. Assalamualaikum.